Sneha. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. I've done my bachelor's in management studies from Mitibai, post which I have worked with Ernst& Young for 2 years. I then went ahead and did my first MBA in finance and IT, and I'm currently working at JP Morgan as a corporate analyst. I wasn't really very happy with my first brand of my MBA and decided to give myself a truly global perspective and tried a second MBA. And that's how Amrit entered my life. At that time, I didn't have a really good GRE score, so I was already feeling very demoralized. And that's when I spoke to him. And I asked him, hey, this is what my profile looks like. What do you think I should do? And the one thing that made, and I was talking to other consultants at the same time, the one thing that really made Amrit stand out was his attitude towards the situation. Was my application the best? Definitely not. I had multiple challenges, and he was extremely honest about it. At no point he painted a very rosy picture and said, yeah, you will definitely make it. He was like, hey, these are your challenges. I had a gap year. I was doing a second MBA barely a year into completing the first one. And I didn't have the best GRE score. And I was on the lower end of WorkX as well. But he always, and his first response I still remember, was that we will brainstorm together and we will put up a very good front. And did he do it? Hell yeah. He not only at every stage, he wanted to focus on the unique, the what makes me unique. When I spoke to other consultants, I had 3, 4 sessions with them, and I just felt that I was going to be just another very commercialized product. But Amrit, he wanted to know what made me different. I still remember there were so many essays that he just dismissed, saying this is too cliche. It doesn't make you different. What makes Sneha different? And that is the level and the nuance with which every application, every essay of mine was submitted. My timelines were very difficult because of my work. I couldn't adhere to the work hours, slot with Amrit. But it never was a problem. He would sit up late with me. He would come early, and it ensured that I was with my turnaround times for all essays were really fast, and it was never a problem. He has a lot of flexibility and very calm, very patient. One more very important thing and one of the experiences I had with him was his feedback. His feedback, he would never be like, this needs to be changed. He would give very unambiguous, specific feedback that this needs to change and this is exactly what you need to do to make it better. So I was never lost. I had the action plan after every call with him sorted out. It was very easy to reach out to him. He would always respond within max 1 or 2 hours. So I never felt like I had to endlessly wait, which was a constant complaint again other friends of mine they had with their consultants. One thing I would definitely tell you, with Amrit's constant support and help, I was not only able to turn a very difficult application into a superbly confident, good looking application. I have ended up with an offer of admit from McDonough School of Business, Georgetown. That also with scholarship, something I would have never imagined. And I know for a fact that this was not going to be possible without Amrit. So I have just one suggestion for you. I wish you all the best and definitely, definitely go with Amrit. It is a decision you will definitely not regret.